go finement, go finement, go finement. Pas qu'à sortir, men, go finement, go finement, go finement. Sortir tout matin, men, go finement, go finement, go finement.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make what we call in Haiti beignet. Most of the time we make that for carnival, and I love that thing. So I've decided to do a tutorial on that. This is all the ingredient that we're going to use. As you can see, our banana is really soft. That's the best banana. That's the best time to use it. Instead of throwing it away. Hey, let's make a dessert with it right now, right? As you can see, we smash it real good, and then we add our sugar and smash, and then we add some 1 egg, well, 2 eggs, a cup of flour, half a cup of canned milk. That's the best milk to use, is the canned milk, and we mix it all together, and you just mix it into your liking, and make sure it's not too watery. Right now we added some nutmeg, and we will be adding some cinnamon to it. Again, we're looking for the good flavor. Some salt, you want to add some salt. On your dessert, you should always add some salt to it. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, because we want it to rise up a little bit. Vanilla extract, the banana flavor, the essence, a little bit more vanilla extract. Again, we mix all that together to our liking. Make sure it's all mixed in, so it don't, bubble up on one spot. And then once you mix it all together, you will add the rest of your ingredient, which will be a cup of syrup. Now in Haiti, they add sugarcane syrup, but again, we don't have that, so we just add the original syrup here that we have here. And we add some ginger. Again, mix it to our liking until, as you can see, it's a little thicker now because I add a little bit more flour on it to make it as thick. I like it thick, but don't add too much flour because you don't want it to have the flour flavor more than the banana. Then we had some lemon zest in it, again for our liking, for flavor. Now you want to add that because the lemon zest, you can add it to anything, dessert really, like cake, cremas, anything, la bouillie, it tastes really good. Again, we mix to our flavor, our liking. Then we put our pot on the stove, turn on the stove, and add our oil. Make sure the oil is pretty hot before you add it to it. I used that little scoop thing to put it in there because I didn't want to use a spoon. Again, I forgot to show you guys when it was frying. I apologize about that, but just let it get as golden as possible, to your liking. And once you're done, add some powdered sugar to it. Hey, that's it. You got it. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.